Hi everyone. In this video, we are going to compute the 5-number summary using a Ti-84 calculator. First thing we're going to do is click on the Stat button. We're going to click on Edit 1 underneath the Edit menu. So from here, we're going to click on Enter. And then from here, our PowerPoint presentation gives us a table using values and frequency. Value is going to go down the first column and frequency is going to go down the second column. So L1 is going to be value and frequency is going to be L2. So I'm going to type in my values down the L1 column. So each time I enter a number, I'm going to click on the Enter button. So we have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 12, and 14. From here, I'm going to arrow over to L2. I have 3 values of 5, 5 values of 6, 2 values of 7, 2 values of 8, 3 values of 9, 1 value of 12, and 3 values of 14. So from here, I'm going to click on Stat. I'm going to arrow over to Calc, and I want number 1 var stat. So from here, I'm going to click on Enter. My list is in L1. When I arrow down, I need to enter in my frequency list, which was in L2. So here I'm going to click on the second button in number 2. You'll notice L2 is in blue, just like the second button. So when I click on second and hit number 2, it is going to select L2. From here, I'm going to arrow down to calculate and then click on enter. There's a bunch of information that is outputted in 1 var or 1 variable statistics. As I arrow down, we have the 5-number summary. So minimum X is 5, Q1 is 6, the median is 7, Q3 is 9, and the maximum value is 14. And now we're done.